Ayo, what is up, Grizzer Hops? I'm back again with another video. I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free books on your computer, as well as put it on your Kindle and convert it to Mobi using Calibre or Calibre, whatever you call it, the software. Um, the screen might be a little bit weird, I know, because I'm using this recording app called Streamlabs, and yeah, it just censors this thing like this. I don't know why, but it seems like the only thing that works for me in my computer. So, alright, it's been a while since I've done a video. I haven't been doing, I've been making videos for a while because my phone's acting up, but today's gonna be the day. So, first thing you want to do is you want to get your book, obviously, or you want to get your book. And the website I use now is going to be BOK. Just look up B-OK and it should be Z Library. I'll leave this down in the description below. I don't really use Library Genesis anymore because after finding this, I kind of just abandoned it. I guess I might use it from time to time if I'm trying to get textbooks, but mostly it's going to be Z Library because I'm not trying to be picky or anything, but Library Genesis doesn't have every book that you need, and Z Library for some odd reason has every book, even if it's like a small time book. So the book I'm going to be getting is probably going to be, let's see, I already forgot the book I was thinking of. It is, oh yeah, I'm just gonna look, King Killer Chronicles. I have the book on print, so I'm just gonna use this because the book I have, it's like really tiny for some reason. And just look, okay, wait, what's it called? The Name of the Wind. I'm trying to get the Name of the Wind. Okay, Name of the Wind. And it should be the first one that pops up. There are Mobi versions like this one, and mostly the Kindle Paperwhite, which I have, uses the Mobi format. But since most of the books you find online is EPUB, and there's like no other choice, let's just say we're gonna pick the EPUB version. Even though it's so much easier to use the Mobi version, I'm just gonna show you guys what happens if you get the EPUB version. You can just convert it. So yeah, so we just click download EPUB down here. We're gonna exit out. Actually, not gonna exit out. We're gonna get the software called Calibre, or whatever, and it should be right here. It is to convert and send your book over to your Kindle. And that's what Calibre does. Oh, sorry, that's the thing. Okay, so back on the screen, I'm gonna open up Calibre. And I have all these books that I already have on my computer. Um, First thing you want to do is you want to click Add Books on the left right here. Look up the book or find your book. I have The Name of the Wind by Patrick de Rothfuss over here. And click OK. And I have it over here. And then now, if you want to change the title, you click Edit Metadata. And what you want to do, let's say I just want to put the title as The Name of the Wind. And series name, hold on, and you gotta press this green arrow, I think. Yeah, series name is gonna be King Killer Chronicles, and you just click this right here, or just put King Killer Chronicles, and I think that should be fine. Yep. So that's editing the metadata. You can also change the cover by clicking download cover, and it will look for covers all over the internet. I'm fine with this cover. Actually, I might change it. This is a pretty nice cover too. I'll just click this one just for, why not, just to show you guys. And I'll just click download metadata. Actually, I won't click that. Okay, just click OK down here in the bottom right. So yeah, Name of the Wind, change the cover, change the title, and everything. And then, okay, next thing you want to do is you want to plug in your Kindle device using the USB port. Plug the micro USB into your Kindle. I'm using the Paperwhite 4 right now, and I already have it plugged in. Next you want to do is you want to convert it. So let's say this is EPUB still, right? To convert it, basically what you guys want to do is you want to click convert books over here, and it says EPUB right here. Go to output format and change it to Mobi so it can match your Kindle. And you click OK, and you should wait for it. And I think it should be fine. I think it's already converted. So now that's done, we can actually minimize that. Open up your file. My file's over here, and I'm gonna put this up here so it doesn't get. Go on your this PC. Open up your Kindle Drive. Go to Documents, and I have all of these books over here from like manga and all that good stuff. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up my Calibre, and I'm just going to go to send to device. Click that, click send to main memory, click yes, and it should be sent. And yeah, it already sent. And if you check on your Kindle or anything, if you have it plugged, then you should see it. If you don't see it, question anything, give me a comment, and that's basically the end of the video. Thanks for watching the Grizzle Hops tutorial.